Hello and good evening, beautiful people. We are here to do a quick and short Namaste Nelma Wellness video where I'm going to get you guys set up and ready to go to sleep. So we're going to start out by moving all the booty cheeks out the way. Just kind of get comfortable in your seat and just close your eyes and ground down, taking in awareness of everything around you. This is a great time to remove your tongue from the top of your mouth, a great time to drop your shoulders, lift your chin, and just center into yourself. Bring your focus to your third eye. Bring your gaze up and begin to breathe in through your nose. From here, we're going to lift the right hand up and we're going to be circling the right hand until the right hand comes and meets our heart. Beautiful breath from here and out, and then from there we are going to be taking the left hand. We're going to be doing that same circular motion until that left hand come and meets our belly, connecting with our bravery and with our lineage. We take a beautiful deep breath here and we release. Stagnant, crappy energy that no longer serves you. Bring your hands to your knees, and from here we're going to start bringing some neck exercises. I don't know about y'all, but my neck gets so stiff throughout the day, so it is so important to intentionally bring some movement energy. Notice how I am bringing my chin down as I pivot to the opposite side. Bringing that left hand. I bring my chin to my sternum. And I just continue to activate. ADHD kicked in for a second, but we got right back into it. Beautiful. We are just opening up the chakras, and then we are moving into a modified gait, just opening up the body. Mind you, this is a bedtime stretch. We are not doing too much here. And then as well as I was doing, content testing, y'all are only going to be getting 6 minutes of this. All right. So we're going to be pivoting, coming back into that inverted cat-cow. I started doing my cat-cows right here. Then I realized that you guys needed to see my alignment. So after doing a couple cat-cows, I just went ahead and decided to turn around. Cool. So now let's get into that alignment. Make sure that your knees are hip distance apart. Your shoulders are over your wrists. Beautiful. Beautiful shape. Continue to breathe. Be intentional with your spine. Bringing your chin towards your chest, and then we're gonna come into a inverted gait on the other side, just opening up on all ends. it is so important for me to create some extension. So let's lift up the back left leg and the front left arm and just create some extension, hold and release. And then let's do that on the same side. Inhaling here, exhaling, and then you're just going to release. Beautiful. Take an inhale, and on an exhale, come into a downward facing dog. Stretch it out, get into your downward facing dog, elongating your neck, getting narrow. Notice how my heels are already touching the ground. This is how I have to be you. Beautiful. Coming into that backwards forward fold, we're just gonna pedal it out, and we're going to seal out our practice with a ragdoll. You guys be sure to tune in and subscribe to my channel. Namaste.